Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle endlessly? The answer lies in the lessons they follow. Today, we're diving deep into transformative wealth-building principles inspired by Robert Kiyosaki's teachings from Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
First of all, what is a habit? A habit is a settled or regular tendency or practice, especially one that is hard to give up, right? So it's a tendency, it's a practice, something you do repetitively and it's hard to give up. Good habits we don't want to give up, but bad habits, man, are they hard to kick. Some quotes on habits, one by Warren Buffett, which is one of my favorite. Chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. That's what Warren Buffett said.
The foundation of financial freedom starts with understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket. Think rental properties, stocks, businesses, or intellectual properties. These are investments that generate income, appreciate over time, and increase your net worth. For example, purchasing a rental property provides monthly income while the property itself gains value. Similarly, investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular income from company profits. Liabilities, on the other hand, drain your wallet. Mortgages, car loans, credit card debt, and luxury items that depreciate over time. Kiyosaki emphasizes that many people mistakenly consider liabilities as assets, such as a personal home that doesn't generate income. While owning a home provides stability, if it doesn't produce income, it's a financial burden rather than an asset. Recognizing this distinction is critical in shifting your focus towards acquiring income-generating assets while minimizing liabilities. Next, don't work for money, make money work for you. This principle challenges the conventional mindset of trading time for money. Instead, Kiyosaki advocates for creating passive income streams through investments in real estate, businesses, and dividend-paying stocks. Passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort, freeing up your time to focus on growth opportunities. The journey starts small, with calculated risks and consistent reinvestment, compounding wealth over time. For instance, starting a small business or purchasing a rental property may seem daunting, but the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial efforts. Financial education is your strongest asset. Traditional education often overlooks practical money management. Kiyosaki recommends reading foundational texts like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Intelligent Investor, and Think and Grow Rich. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed decisions, manage risks, and identify lucrative opportunities. Applying these lessons through investments and entrepreneurial ventures transforms knowledge into wealth. Attending seminars, taking online courses, and surrounding yourself with financially savvy individuals accelerates your learning curve and exposes you to diverse perspectives. Breaking free from the rat race requires discipline. Track your spending, invest first, and resist lifestyle inflation. The rat race is an endless cycle of working, earning, spending, and remaining financially stagnant. Kiyosaki describes the rat race as an endless loop where people work tirelessly to maintain a lifestyle funded by debt. Setting clear goals, prioritizing investments, and avoiding unnecessary expenses are key steps to escape this cycle. Consider creating a budget, automating savings, and identifying areas to cut costs. Financial independence isn't about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices that align with your long-term goals. Understand the cash flow quadrant: employee, self-employed, business owner, investor. The goal is to transition from trading time for money to creating systems that generate income independently. Employees and self-employed individuals rely on active income, while business owners and investors leverage systems and investments to generate passive income. Moving from the left side, employee, self-employed, to the right side, business owner, investor is essential for achieving financial freedom. This transition may involve building a side business, investing in real estate, or acquiring stocks that generate dividends. Building wealth requires taking calculated risks. Educate yourself, start small, and don't fear failure. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of informed decision-making, learning from mentors, and viewing setbacks as opportunities for growth.
Being a quitter is the worst thing you could possibly be. God himself can't make a quitter important, because the only reason the place you're trying to get to has value is because it was difficult to reach. If everybody could reach it, there'd be no value. Value is linked to scarcity. The whole point gold is valuable is because it's not everywhere. If it was everywhere, it wouldn't have any value. The reason the place you're trying to reach is valuable is because people can't get there. So if you're the kind of person who quits, you're never gonna get there. Quitters are the worst. You could give a quitter a map, a treasure map, and a hot air balloon, and say it's gonna take you right to the treasure. It's gonna be a 7-day journey. Here's a sandwich. And halfway through they'll be like, oh, I'm cold.
You just said it on 7 days, nah.
And they'll quit. Quitters will never make it. And there's a huge subsect of the populace who are basically simply quitters. I've never in my life seen anyone who's determined to get something not get it.
Conduct thorough research before making investment decisions. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks and stay updated with market trends. Embracing a growth mindset enables you to adapt to changing circumstances and seize opportunities that others may overlook. Pay yourself first. This principle involves prioritizing savings and investments before covering other expenses. Automate savings, live below your means, and consistently allocate funds towards your financial future. By treating savings as a non-negotiable expense, you build a financial cushion that supports long-term growth. Consider setting up automatic transfers to investment accounts, contributing to retirement funds, and exploring tax-advantaged accounts to maximize your savings. Leverage tax advantages. The wealthy understand how to use tax laws to their benefit. Kiyosaki highlights strategies such as business deductions, real estate tax benefits, and retirement accounts to minimize tax liabilities and maximize wealth. Consult with tax professionals to identify deductions, credits, and strategies that align with your financial goals. Understanding tax implications allows you to retain more of your earnings, reinvest profits, and accelerate wealth accumulation. Focus on building systems. Automated investments, rental properties, and efficient business processes allow income to flow even when you're not actively working. Systems create sustainable, scalable income streams that reduce reliance on active income. Invest in technology, delegate tasks, and streamline operations to optimize efficiency. For example, automating bill payments, using investment apps, and outsourcing administrative tasks free up your time and enhance productivity. Mindset matters. Kiyosaki emphasizes that beliefs about money can propel or hinder financial success. Adopting a growth mindset, focusing on solutions, and surrounding yourself with supportive individuals fosters resilience and creativity. Cultivate a positive relationship with money by setting clear intentions, visualizing success, and embracing continuous learning. Your mindset influences your decisions, habits, and ultimately your financial outcomes. Never stop learning. The financial world evolves, and continuous education keeps you informed and adaptable. Stay updated with market trends, invest in personal development, and learn from both successes and failures. Attend workshops, read industry publications, and engage with thought leaders to expand your knowledge. Lifelong learning enhances your ability to navigate economic shifts, identify emerging opportunities, and make strategic decisions. Embrace delayed gratification. Wealth building requires patience and the discipline to prioritize long-term goals over short-term pleasures. Setting financial goals and resisting impulsive spending are key practices. Develop habits that support delayed gratification, such as budgeting, goal setting, and tracking progress. Celebrate milestones along the way, but stay focused on your overarching objectives. The ability to delay gratification strengthens financial discipline and fosters sustainable success. The power of giving back. Wealth isn't just about accumulation, it's also about contribution. Kiyosaki encourages sharing knowledge, mentoring others, and supporting communities, which enriches both personal and financial growth. Philanthropy creates a positive impact, builds meaningful relationships, and reinforces a sense of purpose. Whether through charitable donations, volunteering, or mentoring aspiring entrepreneurs, giving back fosters a cycle of abundance and fulfillment. Finally, take action. Knowledge without execution is ineffective. Start small, set goals, and build momentum. The perfect time doesn't exist. The best time to start is now. Consistent action turns Kiyosaki's lessons into tangible financial success. Identify actionable steps, create a roadmap, and hold yourself accountable. Embrace challenges, learn from experiences, and celebrate progress. Financial freedom is attainable with determination, discipline, and a commitment to growth. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and like it. It helps push our content to more people who need to hear it. Please subscribe to the channel. Always remember to master your money. Don't let your money master you.